Hey guys, Justin here with JKS Manufacturing, hanging out here in our booth, SEMA 2018. We're here with Project OCD, built by Direct Off-Road, one of the many really cool Jeeps here at SEMA, and there are a ton of them. Why don't we go for a little cruise and check out a ton of killer Jeeps. So on our walk around SEMA 2018, it's one of the first Jeeps we came to is this killer 2018 JLU with the J-rated 3.5-inch kit. Matt, tell us a little bit about this Jeep and a little bit about Motor City Aftermarket.
Well, we're really excited to be here at SEMA 2018. The builds that we do and the products that we produce, we say tank DNA. We built some military components and we bring that quality over to the aftermarket. So our fit, our finish, our powder coats are all second to none. They can last in the Midwest. They can last a lifetime, so you only have to buy it one time.
Awesome, awesome. And I mean, just looking around this Jeep, obviously we have our JKS product on it, but I was checking out some of the great things you guys have done. Why don't you show us a few of those things on that Jeep, and let's take a look at them. What are you guys offering for this JL?
Well, we're offering the full bumper package, and then we're offering tube doors. We're offering some steps and rock rails, and then also a rear bumper kit, as well as something new to the market here is we have a speaker bar that goes on the roll cage in the back.
Right.
And it's something it's new, it's fresh. But you can get it very quickly on your Jeep to rock out on the trail. I
was checking that thing out a little bit earlier. I just thought that was about as cool as could be. If for those of us who didn't get the high-up trim package with the subwoofers and everything, that's going to be one killer product for you guys. It really is. So what do you think about the JKS kit so far? Have you guys gotten to drive this much, or are we in SEMA prep right now?
Well, I mean, it did, 2018 SEMA came in, we came in hot, we came in wet, so we look forward to it. We've definitely driven it around, and we appreciate you guys being able to help us out and to make our Jeep, it really steps above with having great partners and great product that we can rely on, just like our components.
Guys, back here with another killer 2018 JLU at SEMA. This one happens to be from our friends at Hammerhead. This has got the 3.5 J-rated system with the Fox Factory Series 3.0s. Got the control arms on it, all the JKS goodies here for SEMA. I'm actually here with Chris from Hammerhead. Chris, why don't you tell us a little bit about this Jeep, your products on the Jeep, and where we're heading with this thing?
Sure. Well, this is the new Ravager Series bumpers. You have the stubby on here. We also have the full width bumper. We have our aftermarket flares, and they actually bolt on just like your OEMs. We have the light mounts for the 21.5 inch and the A-pillars that are stiffened underneath to give it a lot more stability. We have our rock rails. We have the body armor that's underneath the doors, and of course the rear flares. We have a rear stubby bumper on it, and we also make a full width bumper. And we have our tire carrier. And our tire carrier actually works with the OEM door just like you would open it.
We've got some experience with the Hammerhead products. We've worked together in the past on your JK build. We were super excited to get on this JL build, and we knew you guys always have a killer build, 40s, these American Force beadlocks. This thing is sweet. I cannot wait to see you guys out on the trail. We get out to the different shows, and appreciate you letting us stop by, and obviously appreciate you partnering up with us on the project.
Thank you very much. We also appreciate you guys. You're a great sponsor.
This one here is from the Truck Shop Off-Road down in Naples, Florida. Our good friend Jake built this thing. So Jake is famous for building some crazy wild SEMA trucks. The type that we might poke a little fun at from time to time. This year Jake contacted me, says, hey man, I'm building a Jeep and I want to use some JKS parts on it. It's going in the Fury Off-Road Tires booth. Fury Off-Road Tires. And I said, well, Jake, I says, you want to use JKS parts. Let's talk about the wheels. What are you doing with this thing? He said they're going to be 17s. And I says, we're in. Okay, no big wheels. All right. So Jake did something pretty wild. JKS and Fox, we're hand in hand here, and Fox makes a killer set of coilovers for the Ford Raptor. It's a 3.0 design, dual recirculating, crazy race shock. I mean, absolutely insane. Jake decided he should bolt that shock onto a JL using all the JKS componentry to get the geometry right. So he went ahead and did that. And then he threw on some killer KMC wheels wrapped in 40 1350 Fury off-road tires. This thing is an animal. To complete the theme, the whole disaster relief unit theme, we've got the rescue boat up top, all the gear all around the Jeep. I mean, it is a really, really cool themed vehicle. And that's one thing about the Truck Shop Off-Road. When they build a vehicle for SEMA, they always dedicate it towards one of our service units. So there was a police vehicle, there was a fire and rescue vehicle, this one here, you know, back to the disaster relief. So big props to Jake and the Truck Shop Off-Road for always building a creative vehicle honoring our service stations. So, you know, very, very cool. Hey guys, getting closer to the end of the show now. We're here in the Warren booth. I'm losing my voice, been talking Jeep so much this week, but we wanted to stop and check out this JKS equipped vehicle. Warren always brings something amazing to the show. You know Warren, they're synonymous with Jeeps and off-roading. And this monster here, built by Bruiser Conversions, kind of embodies all that is, you know, off-road and the Jeep lifestyle, totally custom. So we want to highlight a couple of the products that are on here. We've got the JKS coilover conversion with the Fox 2.5 12-inch travel coilovers. We've got the Flex Connect on here, track bar, basically a whole JKS kit. And but you'll take a deeper look at this Jeep and realize there's not a whole lot of JL going on behind the doors. There's a little something extra there, that huge truck bed that was all handmade, assembled. You know, this Jeep is completely custom. It's got the Dana 60 axles straight from Dana, Steer Smart steering system on it, PSC RAM, of course, amazing Warren products, pretty much everything Warren has to offer, rigid lighting, power tank, rugged radios. There's so many awesome products on this machine. It is something to behold. So there's a good number of vehicles there, and there's a ton more that we didn't have time to show you. But please feel free to like, comment, and share and tell us which one of those were your favorite.